3D printing is a new technology.
I believe that it's the next big thing.
For the uninitiated, 3D printers work by taking data from a virtual computer-designed model, then building that model slice by slice into an actual object. Items built using this process can be incredibly detailed and, if you print one piece at a time, can even feature moving parts. Here on show today are some seriously impressive printed marvels, including musical instruments, toys, and even items of clothing. There are loads of very unusual styles on show here, I've noticed.
The streets of London, but hopefully not everyone. No, I think it's going to be integrated both in direct 3D manufacturing, so 3D printing, but probably as it is already being used for sampling. Okay, so we can test the design.
So we revisited and tried to change the technique from the first movie. So we 3D scanned Robert's hand and then took the design and wrapped around his proportions and came up with all the articulation. And then we broke it down and printed it out on an object that was then cleaned up, metal etched, and basically nickel plated and painted from nickel.
Acetabular hip cup, and this was grown in titanium.
This 3D printed iPhone cover. Let's just make sure it works. Interconnecting and working together very nicely.
All ready to be put together. It's a very exciting moment. All of it just pieces together, and then we're going to resin it. So we have the whole board coated in resin, vacuum bagged up, and now we just need to let it sit for like 9 hours. Looking at this board, pushing on it, feeling it, I don't know. I really don't. Definitely got a board. She's a little flimsy. With Matt Guest. We have this crazy board. You ready to check it out?
Yeah, I'm pretty hyped on this.
This thing is nuts.
What? You guys are mad snowboard scientists.
Nose feels good.
Look.
He's done it.
It's going. That's fantastic.
Check that out.
It's not bad.
It's got smart frame technology. This swaps out. All right, you pop that in. It's your favorite.
It's not bad.
And there's the 3D print.
What's coming out is a lower receiver of an AR-15.
The lower receiver is the only regulated part of an AR-15 semi-automatic rifle, crucial to making the weapon work.
But as soon as this is clean, this will be ready to use.
At the shooting range, the plastic part fires 11 rounds.
That's good, considering we couldn't even get the pin in. So 11 is 11, you know. Back to the drawing board.
.3D printing has been around for almost 25 years now. But we use this technology, these 3D printers, to make actual final products.
But instead of printing sheets of paper with ink, you're actually printing tissues with cells.
The premise is simple. Send a scanned image of a body part to the printer. and the machine starts building. Ears, noses, fingers. Dr. Atala's goal is to transplant the part.
3D printers can print human beings! Sort of.
Printing this kidney structure that you see here. Here it is. You can actually see that kidney as it was printed earlier today.
While implanting kidneys like this is still at least a decade away, it holds the potential to revolutionize organ transplants.
Bite it.
Okay.
Try to. It's good, right?
Really good.